Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DuckDuckGo not working so you can regain your privacy and get back to searching without interruptions in 2026. Let's get into it. First, clear your site data and cache. If DuckDuckGo is hanging or showing an error displaying search results, the most common culprit is a corrupted piece of cached data stored in your browser. Open your browsing settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and ensure you check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Next, close and reopen the extension window. Sometimes the DuckDuckGo browser extension interface simply freezes or fails to sync with the website you are currently viewing. Click the DuckDuckGo icon in your toolbar to close the current extension dropdown, then click it again to reopen it. If the search bar inside the extension is unresponsive, close the entire browser tab and open a fresh one. In 2026, extensions run as mini-apps within your browser. Closing the window and reopening it forces the extension's UI to re-ping the DuckDuckGo servers, which often fixes visual glitches or search button lag without needing to reset your entire browser. Lastly, flush your DNS cache. If the website won't load at all while other sites work fine, your computer might be trying to connect via an outdated network path. Type CMD in your Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. If you are on a Mac, use the terminal and run sudo dsc cacheutil/flushcache. Your DNS cache acts like an address book for the internet. If DuckDuckGo recently moved its server address and your computer is still using the old one, you'll get a connection error. Flushing the DNS forces your system to ask the internet for the most current direct path to DuckDuckGo's 2026 servers. And that's pretty much it. To get DuckDuckGo working again in 2026, start by clearing your browsing data to remove corrupted files, then close and reopen the extension window to refresh its interface. If the site still won't load, flush your DNS cache to refresh your network connection. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.